Hello everyone, I am Anuradha and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be making these 3 canvas paintings. All are Pinterest inspired except this one, and I think that's why it looks that pathetic. So before getting into the video, I just want to tell you that at the end of the video, I will be sharing some tricks that can enhance your painting, which I actually learned during the process of making these 3 paintings. So stay tuned till the end and don't miss that part. So let's get started. I bought these canvases from Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. Now also try saving that plastic sheet. We will be using it later on. You can use polythene as well. Start by painting random colors in any pattern like I am doing. Once done with that, take the polythene or plastic and put it on the canvas and do so. After removing the plastic sheet, it will look something like this, and I think this pattern is amazing. Taking any circular object, here I am making the circumference of the moon. Once done with that, I am painting the background completely black. Now, you can write any quote that resonates your personality. Here I am writing, when it's dark, look for stars. Now decorate the rest of the canvas with white paint and you will be done, guys. Guys, this is my favorite painting of all the 3 and also the easiest one. Using masking tape, I am making a rectangular box as well as a line. Now paint the rectangular box and using any circular object, draw a semicircle. Now paint this semicircle as well. Remove all the tapes and then use white paint to cover that all the irregularities if there are any. Here I have drawn a face using pencil. Then I am tracing out everything with a permanent marker. Rub all the pencil marks so that you get the final product. And that's done. Watch out. For this painting, I am reusing my old canvas. Using masking tape, make any letter or shape that you want to paint. Also guys, please don't forget to write in the comment section which of the 3 paintings you like the most. basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada. basic white coat.
Never coming down, bitch, you ain't no Barbie. I see you work at Arby's. Number 2, supersize, hurry up, I'm starving. Gnarly, radical, on the block, I'm magical. See me at your college campus, baggy full of Adderalls. Call me if you need a fix, call me.
And we will be using this Vipure color palette to make that rainbow effect.
I got the stolen plates, serving all the fiends.
Starting with red color, then orange, yellow, and so on. Make sure you blend every 2 colors properly so that it does not look like patchwork.
Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. I'm looking like Madonna, but I'm flossing like Ivana.
Again, I am painting the background black. You can paint any color, and we'll be decorating it as the previous one, or say the first painting.
You can't find that, I think you need a Google map. My pearl handle kitty cat will leave impression noodle bag. Now Google that, groupies follow me like Twitter. I'm rolling up my catnip and shitting in your litter. Why you looking bitter? I be looking.
So these 3 were the paintings. I hope you liked the 3 paintings. And also the tips that I was talking about were, first, for this moon painting is that like I should have made a broader moon. I should have shown off more the texture that I did so much mehnat for. So I think that was one tip. And second tip is that for such kind of painting or any kind of painting is that put a white basic layer, then start your painting, the rest of the painting. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. ये तो मैं मांगूंगी. And thanks for watching.